Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Valorant voice chat. If it's not working, there's a ton of reasons of why it might not be working. There's also a ton of different solutions. So, just telling you now, this one may or may not work for you. If it doesn't though, I'll put some other video links in the description that may help you. So whenever you run the game, first off we're going to go down here into the bottom left corner and open up our task manager. Or you can do Control-Alt-Delete and click Task Manager, and we are going to go to Startup Apps. This may look different for you if you're on Windows 10 versus Windows 11. Same sort of thing though. Startup Apps will be on the top instead of on the side if you're on Windows 10. There should be something in here called vgtray.exe. If it isn't enabled, this will prevent your voice chat from working at all. You won't be able to hear others, they won't be able to hear you, and the game will still run fine. So if you enable that and restart your computer, check and make sure it's on, your voice chat should start working again. If it doesn't though, as I said before, check out the videos in the description, and if none of those help you, either comment on one of the other videos that I put down there for you all, or you can talk to me and I'll try and help you.